Hello students, in this class I will explain about the Newland law of octaves. After Daubernier, Newland tried to arrange the elements which was present in his time. So Daubernier does not explain further much elements, so that he have some limitation because his only 3 triads only have given. Afterwards his law was not applicable, hence Daubernier triads has failed. So after Daubernier, Newland came and Newland tried to arrange the elements based on his law. So according to Newland, what he was telling, when the elements are arranged, in the increasing atomic masses, so the property of the eighth element, is similar to the property of the first element, 56 elements. So after arranging the 1 to 56 elements, he found that every eighth element had a properties similar to that of first. He compared this property, like first element and eighth element are showing similar property with the music notation, that is sa re ga ma pa da ni, which is present in the music. Hence he called this as a law of octaves. You can have a look on the screen in that sa re ga ma pa da ni. So below the sa he have arranged the hydrogen, then re he have arranged lithium, like that ga beryllium, ma boron, pa carbon, the nitrogen, and ni oxygen. Afterwards 7th element completed, oxygen is 7th element, and 8th element again coming to the below of hydrogen, that is fluorine, that will be the 8th element for the hydrogen. If you are starting with the sa, ending with the sa, that means 8th element. So if you are starting with the hydrogen, and it will be ending with the fluorine. And again if you are starting with the Re, that is lithium, okay, so it will be ending with the sodium. Okay, because if you started with, start counting from the lithium 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 will be sodium. So like this he started to arrange all the elements which was present during his time, that is up to thorium. In this, till calcium only his law was successful. Okay, so this is the Newland law of octaves. So now Newland law of octaves for the classification of elements had also limitations. Why? Because Newland law of octaves applicable to the classification of elements up to calcium only, hydrogen to calcium. Now let us study what are the limitation of the Newland law of octaves. Newland law of octaves applicable up to calcium only. After the calcium, every 8th element did not possess the similar to the first element. For example, if after calcium chromium is there. So if you consider chromium is the first element, chromium, titanium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, yttrium. Yttrium is coming below the chromium, that is chromium is, if you consider chromium is a first element, yttrium is the 8th element. 8th element, that is yttrium, is not showing any similar properties the first element. So this is the first limitation. One more important limitation of Newland is that Newland assumed only 56 elements are there in the nature, and no more elements are going to discovered in the future. But nowadays how many elements are there that already you know, and whatever the new element discovered after 56 elements also, whatever the new elements discovered, they also did not fit into the Newland law of octaves. Newland law of octaves. This is the second limitation. One more important limitation of Newland, that is, in order to fit the elements into his table, Newland put two elements together in a one slot, that is cobalt and nickel. So even though both the elements having different properties, he kept in the same slot. And fluorine, chlorine, bromine, they have similar properties. Then also he kept the cobalt and nickel along with them. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine is having similar properties, but cobalt and nickel doesn't have a similar properties along with the fluorine and chlorine, bromine, but he kept in order to fit into his law of octaves. Last limitation of Newland, that is iron, which resembles the cobalt and nickel elements in properties. Which one? Iron, which shows some similar properties like cobalt and nickel, but this kept far away from these elements. So you can see that where actually iron is there, where actually the cobalts are there. Hence Newland law of octaves having these many limitations, and it was not successful. So I hope you people have understood. In the next video I am going to explain Mendeleev's periodic table. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.